I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. It is fantastic to be here with you again today.
It is. I am always so happy when we can talk to our listeners. How are you doing today, Paul?
I am doing very well, thank you. I had a very nice morning. I went for a walk in the park. The sun is shining, and I have my big cup of coffee. I am ready. How about you?
Oh, that sounds lovely. I am very good too. I am excited because today we have a very special topic. It is a kind of secret.
Ooh, a secret. I love secrets. Tell me more.
Well, it's not a real secret, but many students don't know about it. It is a special way to practice speaking English.
Wow, that sounds very useful. We all want to speak better.
Exactly. But before we share the secret, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
Yes, we do. If you like our podcast, please take a second to click the like button. It really helps us.
And please subscribe channel so you never miss an episode. We want you here every time.
And share this with your friends. Maybe you have a friend who wants to learn this secret too.
Yes, sharing is caring. Okay, Paul, are you ready to learn about today's topic?
I am very ready. What is this special technique?
It is called the shadowing technique.
Shadowing. That is an interesting word. A shadow is the dark shape that follows you when it's sunny, right?
Yes, exactly. When you walk in the sun, your shadow does exactly what you do. If you jump, your shadow jumps.
Okay, I understand. But how do we shadow English?
Good question. Shadowing is when you listen to English audio and you try to repeat it immediately.
Ah, like listen and repeat. We do that in class sometimes. The teacher speaks, then we wait, then we speak.
Not exactly. That is good, but shadowing is different. In shadowing, there is no waiting.
No waiting.
No, you speak at the same time as the audio. You are the shadow. You follow the voice very closely, almost instantly.
Wow. Speak at the same time? That sounds difficult.
It can feel a little crazy at first. You might think, I can't do this. It is too fast.
Yes. If I listen and speak at the same time, maybe I will get confused.
It is normal to feel confused at the start. But Paul, this technique is very, very powerful. It is like magic for your speaking.
Really? Why is it so good?
Well, think about learning a song. When you like a new song on the radio, what do you do?
I listen to it many times, and then I start to sing along with it.
Exactly. You sing with the artist. You don't wait for them to finish the line. You sing together.
That is true. I sing in the car, very loudly.
I'm sure you are a great singer. Shadowing is the same. You are singing along with the English conversation.
I see. That makes sense. It helps me learn the rhythm.
Yes, that is the first big reason why it works. It helps with intonation.
Intonation. That is a big word. Can you explain it?
Sure. Intonation is the music of the language. It is when our voice goes up or goes down.
Ah, like when I ask a question, my voice goes up at the end?
Exactly. Are you happy? Your voice goes up. If you just read a book, you don't hear the music. You only see the words.
That is very true. Sometimes I sound a bit like a robot when I read. I am very happy.
Yes, we don't want to sound like robots. We want to sound natural. Shadowing helps you copy the natural music of a native speaker.
That is great. I want to sound natural, not robotic.
Another reason it works is muscle memory.
Muscle memory? Like when I go to the gym?
Yes, your mouth has many small muscles. When you speak a new language, your mouth needs to learn new movements.
Oh, I never thought about that. My mouth needs exercise.
It does. Shadowing is like gym training for your tongue and lips. You practice moving them quickly, just like a native speaker.
I like this idea. I don't need heavy weights, I just need my voice.
That's right. It is easy to do anywhere.
Okay, Emily, I am convinced. I want to try it. How do I start? What are the steps?
Great. Let's talk about how to practice. Step 1 is very important. Choose the right audio.
What is the right audio? Can I use a fast English movie?
Maybe not yet. If it is too fast, you will feel frustrated. Start with something easy, something you can understand almost 100%.
What about this podcast?
Yes, this podcast is perfect for shadowing. We speak slowly and clearly.
Okay, so step 1, choose easy audio, like Mr. English Channel.
Perfect. Step 2, just listen. Don't speak yet. Just listen 1 or 2 times to understand the topic.
Okay, listen first to understand. That is easy.
Step 3 is optional but very helpful. Read the transcript.
Ah, yes, we have transcripts for our episodes, so I can read the words while I listen.
Yes, this helps you connect the sound to the spelling. You can see the words you don't know.
Okay, and then step 4?
Step 4 is the shadow.
The shadow.
Yes, play the audio again, and this time try to speak with us. Try to say exactly what we say, exactly when we say it.
Do I need to be perfect?
No, absolutely not. You will make mistakes. You will miss words. That is completely okay.
Whew, that is good to know. If I miss a word, should I stop the audio?
Try not to stop. Just keep going. If you miss a word, just jump back in. Imagine you are singing that song in the car. If you miss a word, you don't stop the car. You just keep singing.
That is a great tip. Just keep moving.
Yes, it is about flow, not perfection.
Do you have any pro tips for us to make it even better?
I do. My first pro tip is use headphones.
Headphones. Why are they better than just speakers?
When you use headphones, you can hear the small details of the pronunciation better, and you can hear your own voice more clearly too.
Ah, that is a good point. It helps me focus.
Yes. My second tip is start small. Don't try to shadow a whole 20-minute episode on your first day.
That sounds exhausting. My mouth would be very tired.
It would. Just try for 2 minutes, or maybe just one small part of a conversation.
2 minutes is easy. I can do 2 minutes while I wash the dishes.
Yes, that is the best part. You can do it while you cook, while you clean, or while you walk to work.
I might look a little funny walking down the street talking to myself.
Maybe, but you will be the person with the best English accent.
That is true. I don't care if I look funny, if I sound good.
I have one more pro tip for brave students.
Oh? For brave students? What is it?
Record yourself.
Record myself? Oh no. I hate listening to my own voice.
I know many people do. It can be scary, but it is very useful.
How does it help?
You can record your shadowing and then listen to it. Compare your recording to the original audio.
Ah, I see. So I can hear where I am different.
Exactly. You might hear, Oh, Emily's voice went up here, but my voice went down. Then you can try again and fix it.
That is very powerful. It is like being your own teacher.
Yes, it is the fastest way to improve.
Okay. I will try to be brave. I will record myself.
Good job, Paul. I know you can do it.
So, we have the technique, we know why it works, and we have the steps.
Yes. Now, I think it is time for a challenge.
A challenge! I love challenges. What should our listeners do?
I challenge everyone listening right now to try shadowing with this episode.
Oh, that is a great idea. Right now?
Yes, you can pick a person. Maybe you want to shadow Paul.
Yes, shadow me. It is fun. I have the best lines.
Or you can shadow me.
So if they shadow me, when I say, hello everyone, they should say, hello everyone, at the same time.
Exactly. Try to copy our emotion, too. If Paul laughs, you should laugh.
This is going to be fun. I hope our listeners are laughing with us right now.
Me too. It makes learning happy. When you are happy, you learn faster.
That is very true. Stress is bad for learning.
So don't stress about shadowing. Treat it like a game. A fun game with your voice.
I like that. It is just a game.
Let's quickly review the main points, just to be sure everyone understands.
Good idea. So, shadowing is listening and speaking at the same time.
Yes, not listen and repeat. It is listen and speak together.
And it helps our intonation, the music of English, and our mouth muscles.
Perfect. And remember the steps. Choose easy audio, listen first to understand, and then shadow.
And don't worry about mistakes. Just keep going.
You got it. You are a shadowing expert now, Paul.
I feel like an expert. I am excited to practice this weekend. I will shadow my favorite movie.
Ooh, which movie?
I like superhero movies. I will shadow the big, strong hero. I am here to save the day.
Wonderful. That is great practice. You can be a superhero in English.
Yes.
And to our listeners, we really want to know if you try this.
Yes. Please tell us in the comments. Have you tried shadowing before?
Or tell us, what will you shadow first? This podcast, a song, a movie?
We love to read your ideas. It is so interesting to see how you all learn.
It really is. And remember, learning English is a journey. Take small steps every day.
Shadowing is a perfect small step. Just 2 minutes today.
Exactly. Well, Paul, I think that is all for today's episode.
Time flies when we are having fun. Thank you, Emily, for teaching us this great secret.
You are very welcome. Thank you for learning with me.
And a big thank you to all our listeners. You are amazing.
Yes, you are. Before you go, please don't forget to subscribe channel.
And share this episode with your friends. Let's all shadow together.
We will see you next time with more easy and fun English.
Bye-bye, everyone. Happy shadowing.
Bye.